Okay. Now this is SW-Motech. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ride with Passion and Explore by Saji Matthew. Now today exclusively I think I am doing a video on making the Hayabusa touring ready in the sense the luggage setup for a Hayabusa. So this is basically manufactured by, you can see here, SW-Motech, which is a company based in Germany. So we don't get the side pannier as in adventure bikes, and then the top box and the tank bag and all as in adventure bikes. So for exclusively for only Hayabusa, SW-Motech is manufactured, which I had seen on a YouTube channel of SW-Motech, and then wanted to get it, but it took almost more than 2 months time to get it, because the importers in Bangalore are Big Bad Bikes, which is based out of Bangalore, and then they have arranged it, and they have imported it from SW-Motech in Germany. So I will unbox this. This is basically an unboxing video where you can see the. I didn't get the rack pack set. This is the top box, for which the alternative is a rack pack set, which the volume is little more. So I have ordered that, but that will come only by October. So this consignment I have received the SW-Motech tank bag and the side ABS side bags, side panniers, you can say, but it's a soft ABS plastic based side panniers. So 2 side panniers for right and left for the Hayabusa and the tank bag. This is what is there in this carton box. So we'll just unbox this and I'll show you how it is, and later on once I fix it to the bike, it has got all those mounting brackets and everything in this. So I will show you this, and then later once I get the rack pack set by next month, even that also I will unbox, and I will show you after installation how it looks. So hopefully, I don't know, many people across India has done it, because this being a hyper touring bike, hyper sports touring bike, most of them only tour on this. They don't carry, or maybe carry a backpack and then they ride. So I have not seen anybody putting a touring luggage system on Hayabusa, especially the 3rd gen. First and 2nd gen, maybe in YouTube's I have seen people doing it. That do abroad, people in abroad channels and all, maybe not in India specifically. So let's open this. It's a raw unboxing video. Alright, so just wanted to show you guys how the system looks like, and how we can install it on a Hayabusa. Fine, let's start. So let's cut the tapes. That's all taped actually. We need to cut it neatly. To this Big Bad Bikes has done it neatly. Yesterday I think I was out for some work, so they sent it through porter actually after they received it. So let me open this. Yeah, this is one side, this is the other side. Yeah, 2 sides are out. This is the 3rd side. So in this big cover we have 2 other boxes in this. So maybe let me keep it to this side so that I can take it out and show you. I think this is the Pro Sports tank bag. This is the tank bag, I think. Then another box, smaller box, SW-Motech mentioned here. Then see, there are some fasteners and all in this box. One Pro Tank Bag ring. There is a Pro Tank ring. There is a ring fixed to the tank, and then the tank bag is mounted. So this is one. This is anti-theft protection for Pro side carrier. So there is another thing here. Sorry. This here. And this is the, oh, this is quite heavy. This is the metal, I think the brackets and all, no, to hold the paniers. So this is it. I'll open and show you. And what else we have here? They have given Evo, Aero, ABS, some fasteners and all in this. Oh, I think they have given me a keychain, SW-Motech multi-tool. They have given me a multi-tool keychain also as complimentary. And this, that's nice of them. So nothing else, the packing case in this, that's it in this big cover. So we'll just put this aside. Okay, the big cover SW. So let's leave that aside. Now we'll open the inner carton. Let's see what's in this. So here we have, what do we have here? So again, small. I think this is the side cases. So how it looks. Correct. Yeah, these are the side cases. This is side case, left and right both you have. Oh, beautiful. See how it looks. So SW-Motech branding here. This is ABS plastic. Bag one for the left side. Then these are all the, see, this is also sturdy. Quite a good size. Can carry luggage, maybe your clothes and other things. So I'll just open it and show you. How it looks. See, this is it. There's a rain liner in this. Side pockets. From here inside you lock it. This is water resistant, and then you have this rain liner. So with this, it's, I think, will become waterproof if you can cover your things on this and then maybe put it. So they've given a number lock, SW-Motech number lock also on this, for this. So this is one case. So this is it. Logo here, so neat. So this will come on Hayabusa left side. Now let's keep it aside. Now the other one. So this is the right side case. Again, more or less it's the same. Again, SW-Motech branding. Very high quality zippers. You open them. So again you will find if you open them fully, yes, the carry handle bag, again same rim liners, okay, and then same as it is, you can see power pack rain liner here. I've got again a key number lock here also, in this also for the other back. So this is it. That's also a SW-Motech branding, and the tie down straps also here. So this also is basically waterproof. Again you close this like this, pull this across. So this is the right side one and the left side one. So these are the two. Instead of the side panniers, this is what we can use for that. Nothing else in this box, it's only the packing stuff here, right? So I'll just leave it back here. This also. Done. Now I will show you the tank bag. The tank bag has got an outer cover. Just flip it open and it comes off. So this is, I think, 12 to 17 liters. A small tank bag. Again SW-Motech logo branding here, SW-Motech. This is also waterproof. So this you can see the outer. So here I think the tank ring will go, which will slide on the tank for your complete comfortable movement up and down as per your requirement. So this has got a side pouch here on the side. It's a very high quality zippers here. Keep your maybe purse or few easily accessible things you want. Same way on the left side too, they have that, very neat and small. Then the main tank bag opening, see here. So here you've got again some storage compartments here. See, basically 17 liters. So this is the ring which will go on the tank. Then again a rain liner for this, protect it from rain, and this is I think to pull, fix it and pull. Then side pockets here too. That's it. So this is this much capacity space it has got. So you can carry maybe your GoPro and few stuff, So it is looking neat and sleek. Can be used for the tank bag. Logo again here. So it's Pro Sport. So this is the thing. All from Big Bad Bikes. So then, as I told you, all these are things. The railings to brackets to connect it. I think that's a metal heavy, it is quite heavy. This has got the maximum weight actually. The rest of the things are all lightweight ABS plastic. So this has to be fixed there, and then all this accordingly they need to use all this. So, okay. So like this, few upgrades I have done for my Hayabusa, including few other accessories which I had installed before. So as and when I keep upgrading, now I have basically got a ride to Kerala for the Nehru boat race on 27th of this month, September 2024. Because of the Wayanad tragedy, the boat race was postponed to 28th of this month, 28th September 24. So 27th, four bikers along with me. So totally 5 bikers will be riding to Alapi, Kerala for the boat race. From there, I will be taking all of them to Tenmala Forest Reserve for a stay there on 29th, and then on 30th we will return back to Bangalore. So once I am back to Bangalore on 30th, then again on 1st I need to get my bike, my basically the Hayabusa which I am taking to Tawang. On 3rd we are planning to leave to Tawang for a 20 days long ride. So on 1st I will have to get the bike serviced and change a set of new tires, because the distance from Bangalore, riding from Bangalore till Tawang is almost 3,500 kilometers. So up and down I will be doing it more or less like 7,500 to 8,000 kilometers. So I will require a new set of tires. Now already I have completed 3,500, almost 3,500 kilometers on the odometer in basically 3 months time. So today is 10th September. I got the bike on 9th June. So you can see how many 90 days I've done that much of ride. Basically not outstation, in and around all the nearing highways, all four sides of exiting Bangalore. So I have done that much. So basically the company, what tire which they give is Bridgestone Battlax S22, which are very good tires, but it is not available in the market. And what generally they say is that tires are very good in rain and road conditions and everything, but only thing it will maximum we can do around 6,000 kilometers with that. After that you need to replace it. So because I have got a long ride, so though my distance which I would be covering after going to Kerala, it is 3.5, so another 1,500 or so I might cover. So 1,500 in the sense my distance would be approximately total distance would be 3.5 plus 1,500 means 5,000 kilometers. Still I will be short of 1,000 kilometers for the tires to be completely worn out, but then it's okay. I will change because I need to do this Tawang trip, which is a long distance. So I will change to Michelin Road 6. I have placed the order. Hopefully I should get it. Okay. So then, but I might not do the complete stretch till Tawang, because maybe there will be a problem of maybe off-roading and all. So I'll go in my friend's Hilux. We will park the bike maybe after 2,500-3,000 kilometers in some safe parking area, some hotel or so. Then we'll continue our journey. That's it for today's unboxing video, guys. Thank you very much for joining in. I'll just give you, it's a very raw video, no kind of much of editing and all. Just normal. I'm just without any script. I'm just talking to you on directly. So please, I can understand it's not at a professional level. I am doing this recording. Bear me for sorry for all that. But then I'm just putting what is there, naturally. So please, if you like the video, the informative video, what we can do on a Hayabusa, which I thought I should share with you, please like, share and subscribe, so that it will help me to create more content for you, as well as basically enjoy my rides and showcase what I am doing on the go. Thank you very much. One second. One ನಿಮಿಷ.